Sinna Natnani from 12th standard, 12th commerce, and my topic is fact. Fact behind fish called Aurora global warming. So to start with first fish call. 5-6 months ago, this picture was very viral on internet. Many people thought this may be fake or nonsense. But when research carried out, scientists came with a logical reason scientists found very logical reason behind it. You must have learned about tornadoes or cyclones. When tornado and cyclones occurs on land, it just grabs all the things inside it. Like tornado occurs on ground, it can also occurs on water. When these things happen on water, we call it as water spout. Water spout is a type of a tornado. Tornado and water spout are always connected with clouds. During water spout, at time of grabbing all the fishes, this what happens inside. At time of grabbing all the fishes, air pressure is so fast that all the fishes are being transferred to the cloud. And when air pressure is low or stop, cloud leave all the fishes to the ground. And this is what happened after. And this is what actually happened in Thailand. Moving on to the other topic, that is Aurora. These lights were seen at Iceland, Greenland, Norway, and Finland. For first time when people saw this, they think that these are blessings from God. But when research carried out, scientists came with the conclusion that these lights are solar winds and came from sun. These solar winds are harmful for Earth, and our Earth's magnetic field is protecting our Earth from solar winds since its beginning. But now, after many years of facing these solar winds, our Earth magnetic field is becoming weak. It does not control these solar winds as much before. Furthermore, these solar winds are harmful for our Earth infrastructure and satellites. If this increases, then it will destroy our infrastructure and satellite for a century. And when these solar winds entering in our Earth's atmosphere are called as aurora. Last part is global warming. So now within 30-40 years, we don't have to prepare ourselves to reach at the top of the Mount Everest. Because every single day, height is decreasing due to global warming. But how global warming affects ice and glaciers? When industry create pollution and polluted particles mix with the air, and when polluted particles passes over the surface of the ice, it stick with ice like this. And if we compare normal ice and polluted ice melt faster than normal ice. And this is how ice is melting faster. That's all. Thank you. Pollution created by industry.
Why was Aurora green in color?
Due to atmosphere.
Then due to atmosphere, why only green? It can be of another color.
Yes, it can be.
So there is a reason why it is of green color.
How according to you we can control global warming?
By creating less pollution.
Just by cleanliness we can control global warming. What are the impacts of Aurora on us?
It can destroy infrastructure and satellite for centuries. can occur on ground. They can also occur on water. When these things happen on water, we call as water spout. Sorry?
According to you, how will the earth be doomed? And how would it be destroyed?
I don't think so.
How will the earth be destroyed according to you?
If these aurora rays increases, then it will destroy our electricity, communication, water supply, everything.
Are the electromagnetic waves, and electromagnetic waves we can consider them as light particles. So how do they have restriction on earth?
Solar winds construction.
Yeah, but they get converted into a UV.
When solar winds enter in Earth atmosphere, we call as aurora.
How would they cause restriction?
Because I have seen before Mars was like Earth. Mars has water, trees and all. Only thing is Mars core has जैसे हमारा अर्थ कोर लावा का जैसे हमारा अर्थ का जो लावा गर्म है तो उससे मैग्नेटिक फील्ड हमारी स्ट्रॉन्ग है। तो मार्स का जो कोर था वो ठंडा था तो फिर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड उसकी स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थी। तो फिर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं थी तो फिर वो वेव्स सोलर वेव्स आती रहे फिर उसने पूरे प्लैनेट को बर्बाद कर दिया। पानी वगैरह सब
They would be one reason for destruction of earth and time.
You said that the Earth's magnetic field is getting weak. What if it gets more weaker and weaker?
if these aurora rays increases, then solar winds. If these aurora rays increases, then we destroy our magnetic field, Earth's magnetic field.
I said if the magnetic field you said is already weak. If it gets more weaker, what are the causes? What are the impacts? It will destroy the Earth. What are the effects on the universe?
It will
It will destroy the Earth. Will it affect anything on our surrounding area? You said Earth is gone, everything is gone. I'm talking about outside the Earth, the planets around the Earth. Will there be any destruction for them? I'm talking if the magnetic field is being you said if it gets more weaker, the Earth will get destroyed. If the Earth is getting destroyed, will it cause any harm to the outside area or the surrounding area or the other planets?
जैसे अभी मार्स का मैग्नेटिक कम था डिस्ट्रॉय हो चुका है
और दूसरे planet,
उनकी मैग्नेटिक फील्ड
तो सामने वाले planet का magnetic field वीक होगा तो उसको destruction होगा नहीं? How do we stop this aurora rays? Then the Earth will get destroyed. Scientists aren't carrying any destruction. We can't stop it. When was this first reported? And how often are this reported?
first was seen at Norway. Then subsequently
How often?
solar winds came from sun. These are solar radiations.